So, good day po. So, ngayon po ay papakita ko po yung aking ginawang RPG. So, punta po tayo sa RPG Maker. Yan. Start lang po natin. Yan. New game. Yan. Meron po tayong nakanarrate na kung ano po yung nangyari dito sa laro na to. So, once upon a time, there was a village that was attacked by a monster that caused that village to become horrible. Let's see if Reed can beat the monster and restore the peace inside village. And tapos there is a monster in our village. Yan. May NPC po na tayong kinausap. Then may isa pa dito. Yan. Then papasok po tayo dito. Yan. So meron po tayo na encounter na monster at ito na po yung fire monster. So subukan natin kalabanin. Fight. Attack. Yan. So yan. Natapos na po natin. Yan. So babalik po tayo dito sa ating first village. Then may NPC po ulit tayo dito makakausap and ayan po. Thank you po.